Hey guys, today let's try to know our disliked videos on YouTube. So if you guys are looking for an easy way to find out what specific videos that you disliked on your YouTube channel or on your YouTube account, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. What we need to go ahead and do first is to go on over on our YouTube channel. So I'm going to launch our YouTube application, launch our youtube.com website, and then tap on your profile in the top corner right there. I want you to tap on your data in YouTube next, and once you're here, this actually shows you all of the data that you have actually did on your YouTube channel. Now, once you're here, I want you to go on over on this section called YouTube Watch History, and then tap on Manage Your YouTube Watch History. And once you're here, this is basically going to show you a quick and easy interface to show your disliked videos. Now, what we are looking for is this interaction section. And when you go ahead and view this, this actually shows you your video likes and dislikes. I want you to go ahead and just tap on that. And this is basically going to show you all of the different videos that you have watched before, and also the videos that you have liked and disliked as well. And as you would notice, these videos are basically all clumped up together, but that doesn't really matter. This actually still shows you a list of all of the videos that you have interacted with regarding likes and dislikes. And if you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.